you're doing well. Thank you so much for clicking. In today's video, it is an evening routine before travel. So come with us and let's make dinner as we prepare ourselves. It is actually 24 hours later from the time we set up our chicken after marinating, and we are about to grill. So we're now setting up. If you have watched our previous videos, you know we always use foil to manage the oil and the grease from the chicken. Now the problem is that this one is deeper and bigger, so that means we need more foil. So we have our whatever ready, so let's now set them for grilling. You can see the best thing about this cooker is because it's so spacious, so you space them. I used to really squeeze them and they're not many, so you can see whatever will be coming from the chicken will fall on the foil. It saves me cleaning work. So we are set for grilling. We move to the next thing. So the next thing we're going to prepare is this butternut. Okay, I don't know how best to slice it, but I'll just slice it my way.
You wanna know what's beginning of love? You look so high, but you can't see it enough. Just find it and take it, don't let regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you begun. Feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby.
You can see they are cooking on well. I think we can even put this on here, camera here. So we need to change the other side so that it can also cook. I prefer using these long tongs because they are safer. You just put them in and do what you are supposed to do. And you can see the dirt is getting to the foil. some tea. Yeah, we don't cook tea here for dinner, but she wants some tea. So let's make some tea for her. And I think what I realized, and that's why the tea is a lot, is that I'll just make enough tea for tonight and we'll have it for breakfast. I don't like tea that has overstayed, but because of time tomorrow morning, I'll just use this. So here is our dinner. This is what I'm having. The chicken and cabbages. Let me show you our chapatis. I've just put them in the nini. So here are our chapatis. As you can see, they are almost burnt. As I was doing 1,000,001 other things in this house. You know what happens when you're planning for so many things. So mom has already eaten, so it's just me, and she said she wanted tea, so that is why I made tea at night. We don't have tea we don't have evening tea here. Yeah, so yeah. Then off camera I have cleaned the dishes. The only thing that is remaining is the items that are like this pot and the other pot and these plates, because I like cleaning everything clean, everything. And then I'm going to wipe the cooker. I have some spillage, and then I head to packing activities, and now I need to pack. I had prepared everything, so it's just putting them together. I'm not going to do a detailed packing part because I have shared a packing vlog. If you have not watched it, please check it out. Yeah, so let's pack with you. So now let's pack our stuff. So we have the costumes over there. It is a few days, so I'll need a number of costumes. These are bottoms. I am controlling myself from carrying too much. Then we have tops. Then we have a towel. I think I'll put it at the top here. And then we have some lassos. Got two, the blue one and the white one. Put here.
You look so hot, but you can't see it enough. Just find it and take it, don't let regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be gone.